So there are lots of happenings and discussions happening in sport, and Tahir Bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir Bhai?
May good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
Tahir Bhai, I'm doing well, Alhamdulillah, and I have to give you some good news that Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has decided to open a new football stadium in Liari, and I've seen this news from 2-3 days. And Liari is an area which is considered very football heavy, and it is good that the People Party government is taking interest in these things, and they're also hosting a pink football championship in Sindh by Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. How do you see government paying attention to this neglected sport?
Akib, Liari town is a very famous for the football in Pakistan, and I think the interest by Bilawal Bhutto for the promotion of football in country is just a stupendous. And I really appreciate that People's Party is taking interest for promotion of this game, and I wish other part of Pakistan such player or such ground should also be established. So this sport of football should be spread all around the country, because it is not the Liari. Other parts of the Punjab as well have the
Grounds are needed.
Yeah.
Money is needed also.
money, ground, proper infrastructure, and budget, and coaches and nurseries are required for the nurturing of these players. And if Bilawal Bhutto is taking interest, why not other CMs of the provinces are taking interest on a serious note? I think it's the need of the hour that such grounds should be established at every district level or every tehsil level. So the raw talent should be polished, and a national team of football can be established up to high notes, so they can be able to win the matches of FIFA.
And Tahir Bhai, another good news from Pakistan is that Mohammad Saqib of Pakistan has won a gold medal in the World Mixed Martial Arts Championship. So Pakistan rising in football slowly, and also in mixed martial arts, a sport which is not very common in this country. How do you see this? Where we are winning medals in other sports also.
Akib, I'm a fan of Mr. Saqib that he won the medal in the field of
Mixed
martial art, and it's a very good sign that
It's a sport
sports other than cricket
related to taekwondo.
yeah, related to taekwondo, and sports other than cricket are also booming in our country. We are hearing after every second that we won a medal in squash, we won a medal
Hockey.
on hockey, and other
Javelin throw,
javelin
Tahir Bhai, the
throw,
favorite.
yeah, how can we forget that Arshad Nadeem? But on the other hand, our cricket team should also think upon it that they have been loved all across the country, all across
So
the
much
world.
money spent on them.
Yeah, they have given them more hike than the other sports, and they have given more budget and perks and privileges compared to other sports. So if the other deprived sports are performing well, why not our cricketers? So I think they should pull their socks up, and should also give their 10% compared to other sports. So our grievances of the nation should also be mini biased, just keeping in mind about our cricketing players.
And lastly, before we conclude this video, Tahir Bhai, what do you say about the last night's defeat of Pakistan against South Africa? Very poor performance by the Pakistani batsmen. The bowlers did their job, but how do you see the poor show by the batsmen? Only player was Rizwan, who was standing till end.
Here would like to add one line. मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो दिल जलाने की बात करते हो. Simply it was a silent clap for my side, and sorry state of affair for the Pakistani team that what they have done. Yeah, just short of 11 runs. I wasn't expecting this thing. So I think our team should pull their socks up for the upcoming matches as well. So this sort of situation might not be occur in future, so we can finish the matches on the winning note.
And Tahir Bhai, do you think that yesterday we also saw a tactical mistake by the Rizwan as captain, that why he was giving last over to a spinner, that to a young Sufyan Mukim, who was very expensive, and he must be under pressure as he's just new to international
I think
cricket.
last over typical in T20 also belongs to fast bowler, your pacer, whether it could be Shaheen, Haris, or anyone else.
Abbas.
Even Abbas was the top pick for me for the last over. But I think so Rizwan has miscalculated his over at some point of time, so he has to manage the Sufyan at the last over. We haven't learned till yet that how Michael Essien did wrong with us by shattering the great Ajmal in 2010 T20 final. Otherwise, it was T20 semi-final.
Yes.
So otherwise, we could have also won that World Cup easily. But we should not do experiments by giving the last over
Youngsters.
to the spinners, or especially youngsters. If Saeed Ajmal, the experienced player, couldn't survive in the last over, how can we expect from a youngster to do well in the last
You're
over?
breaking his confidence also.
So I think last over was the turning over, which made
South Africa kept
even to win
stronger.
made them stronger and make them to win this series, win this match.
and thirdly-
So I think it was totally fault at the captaincy of Rizwan, who miscalculated the overs.
And Taiba, you said you were very impressed by the approach by South African batsmen, Linde and both David Miller, the way they targeted the Pakistani bowlers, especially both left-handers.
Aqib, Linde and Miller both were the good duo last time, which I have seen that they just managed to put the long shots very easily. Even there some shots went out of the
Even
park as
with the
well.
loss of wickets, they
With
were
the
playing.
loss of wickets and of few of their miss hits also went for sixes. But what went wrong with Pakistani team? Why their shots, even their full shots, didn't went for six or fours as well? So I think it was a matter of only under pressure. This was nothing else. So I will request my team to pull their socks up and just come out of the phobia of losing and a defensive field. Otherwise, they won't be able to win even a single match in South Africa.
But still, the series is not lost. The next match is do or die on Friday. What message you would want to give? Any changes you were expecting?
Akib, I don't need changes. I just only need is the matter of confidence and matter of attitude. But
Runs by Babar also.
Runs by Babar as well. So if our team will not adopt the winning streak or winning attitude or won't adopt the winning attitude, we won't be able to win even a single match. I repeat, we won't able to win the single match. I still remember the series of 2006 when in the first match of 50 over, South Africa scored around 400 or 378
Against Australia.
against Pakistan. Pakistan.
Oh,
South
yeah,
Africa
yeah,
series.
yeah, yes.
But Pakistan on the other hand, in the second match, Pakistani team performed well and won the only managed to win the second match on high note. But rest of the matches we lost. So same thing I am looking over here as well. But at that time we were having a 1,000 times stronger team compared to our today's team. Inzi Bhai was there, Yusuf was there, Yunus was there, Mohammad Asif was there, and blah 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 blah. It was a long list.
This team is pretty young.
But the scenario is different now. Until unless we won't change our approach and Babar Bhai won't make some runs, we won't win even a single match. I am just afraid that we might be end up the series with the 5-0 whitewash.
And we might only win against small teams.
Yeah, we win only against small teams and very tight wins. Those are also kind.
We saw what Zimbabwe did.
Zimbabwe did. We also lost the first match with Zimbabwe 66 for 6. It was still a very dark memory from my side. So I think Pakistani team should sit together and fix their brains with each other, so they could become a synergy. So we would be able to win other matches as well.
But why we are going down in T20, Taiba? We lost to USA, we lost to Ireland. This has been very bad year for us in T20.
Akib, I think in T20 we also changed the many captains as well. So I think
First Babar,
but on the other hand, we also won the matches against Australia as well. That was 50-50 series. I think, so one-day series.
Now we dropped Salman Agha also, Taiba.
But I think that was the worst decision of dropping Salman Agha. He was a top pick for me as well. I think he should be brought back as well. If we have to skip other player on the place of him, we should do it immediately.
And Taiba, thanks so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will have you with another video. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe to Sports here for more content like this. And then it is goodbye from me and Taiba. Say to good with yourself and Allah Hafiz.